Hello, today I'm very happy. I bring this monster car just and I hope I will have a very good experience and small adventures for happiness in my life. So I'm going to unbox this. First we will check some features written on the box. Yes, this is the first one and near to me. Feel the power and it is radio controlled and here are some functions. Yes, you can see it's radio control, battery and charger inside, and what else? Is there anything else? No, but it looks so cool. I don't know how you can feel in the video, but in reality, it is so cool. It is so large. You can see it on my table. Yes, it is almost covering 2 feet of the table space. And okay, let's open this. I will, yes, start from this. Okay, it is, oh, I think there is one more. Yes, my god, I bought it for a very small price. Oh, very nice. I love this car. Yes, it's so cool. Amazing, amazing. For me, it's amazing. I'm sure this is the first RC car of my life. I bought it for myself. Although I'm not a child, but I love this type of adventures. So here is its charger and it's remote control. Yes, it's good. This is for left, right, and forward, back. Very nice. Okay, and I think this is the battery. I am unable to pick this out, so let me try it this way. Yes, only cells are connected with each other. Very simple battery, easily available anywhere. 9.6 volt. Nothing else written on the battery. Remote, charger, battery, and finally this is the car. Let me Oh my god, I am so happy. Yes, very nice. Oh my god, it is so large. Yes, you can see my hand couldn't cover its wheel. My hand is little bit bigger than the normal hands. So here is its inside, steering and everything. It's perfect. I hope I will enjoy this car and surely I will upload one more video where you will be able to see its, yes, I want to bring this out from the box. Okay, so let me open this. I'm opening its seals. Oh, no one else is here to make the video. Yes, one seal is opened. Now I will open the second one. Oh my god, I am yes, both seals are open now. Now I can pull this car out. Yeah. Oh my god. It's unbelievable for me. Really, it's unbelievable. Yes, finally it is in my hand, and you can see this on the table. The remote battery is here. See it? Okay, let me, yes. Remote antenna is attached here. Okay, very nice. This antenna is separately available in the box. This is the battery for the remote, and this battery is for my superhero car. I'm putting this away. I don't need this anymore. Okay, oh my god, now you can see the real car. Oh yes, oh yes, oh my god, it's great, really really great. First I will charge the battery, and then I will try and show you its performance. Finally I got this car at home. I bought it for myself. Oh my god, I hope you will enjoy it. In next video I will show you its performance. Thank you very much.